Welcome. Welcome to this guided visualization meditation where we explore the profound influence of our beliefs on our perception of reality. Before we go deep into the woods, find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release. Let go of any tension in your body. Feel yourself sinking into a state of deep relaxation, allowing the cares of the day to drift away. Enter the woods. As you continue to breathe deeply and steadily, reflect on the quote, "Beliefs are strong ideas about the nature of reality." Consider the power held within this statement. Our beliefs are not mere thoughts. They are robust constructs that shape the very fabric of our existence. Now, visualize yourself standing at the edge of a vast, open field. This field represents the expanse of your mind where your beliefs reside. Notice how the landscape stretches out before you, lush and verdant, waiting to be explored. Now, imagine that each belief you hold is represented by a glowing orb of light. These orbs hover above the field, shimmering with energy and vitality. Take a moment to observe them. Acknowledge the diversity of your beliefs and their varying degrees of influence. As you focus on these orbs, consider how they color your perception of reality. Notice how some beliefs shine brightly, illuminating your path with clarity and purpose. These are the beliefs that empower you, guiding your thoughts, guiding your emotions, guiding your actions towards growth and fulfillment. Perhaps you also see the orbs that emit a dimmer light, casting shadows of doubt and uncertainty. These beliefs may hold you back, clouding your vision and limiting your potential. take a moment to acknowledge their presence, but know that you have the power to transform them. Now, with each breath, envision yourself reaching out to the orbs that resonate most strongly with your true essence. Feel their warmth as you embrace them, allowing their radiant energy to infuse your being. These are the beliefs that align with your highest self, guiding you towards authenticity, guiding you towards abundance. Now, imagine releasing the orbs of limiting beliefs, watching as they dissolve into the ether. With each release, feel a sense of liberation washing over you, freeing you from the constraints of old patterns and paradigms. As you stand in this field of infinite possibility, I want you to remember that you have the power to choose which beliefs to nurture, and you also have the power to choose which beliefs to release. Trust in the inherent wisdom of your heart. Trust in the inherent wisdom of your intuition. I want you to know that they will always guide you towards truth and alignment. Take a few moments to bask in the light of your empowered beliefs, allowing their energy to fill you with a deep sense of peace, to fill you with a deep sense of purpose. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Carry with you the clarity, the strength gained from this meditation. When you open your eyes feeling refreshed and renewed, ready to navigate the world with newfound clarity and confidence. Remember, beliefs are not fixed. Beliefs are not fixed. Beliefs are fluid and adaptable, capable of transformation and growth. Embrace the power of your beliefs and watch as they shape a reality filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Thank you.